Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 13th of July 2025 and I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the weekly expiry on the 18th. The max Y level, and do keep in mind all these previous values are from 3 weeks ago since that was the last time I made a video. So the new C level is, the C is lower and P level is lower as well, which is negative. The quantity is higher for CE, which is positive. Change is higher for PE, which is negative. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. And the put to call ratio is above 1, that's positive. Implied volatility is lower and historical volatility is higher, that's a positive and negative respectively. RSI is lower, that's negative. There's no divergence, that's negative. MACD is positive. DMI is bearish, that's negative. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's 2 positives. VWAP is lower, that's negative. Pivot point is higher, sorry, that's actually positive. And candlestick is bullish, that's positive as well. The new support is 300, the new resistance is 320. The previous was 340 and 350 respectively. And the overall prediction for Tesla is that it goes up. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.